Hello. I want to talk to all you guys about Tony's Money and Lens. Now, listen, I'm a lover of investments. I'm a lover of crypto. I'm a lover of stocks. Those who's watching, those who's listening, I just want to say I love you. Because if you've been around through all this time from 21, from the bear market to now, and you wondering like, what is going on with this market? Why is it up and down and up and down? Let me tell you, in this market, you must be patient. You must be patient. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this market. But first, I'm going to just tell you about December. Market started in December with a sudden drop, you guys, in stocks. Bitcoin fell hard. I mean hard. And everyone is asking this same question. Is the holiday rally over already? What do you think? Right? What do you think? All you listeners, do you actually think this holiday rally is over? I tell you, my Thanksgiving was beautiful. I chilled, I relaxed. I just meditated. I went to the gym. During these times, you guys, you got to take care of yourself. You got to eat healthy. You got to exercise. You got to pray. You got to meditate. You got to do whatever it takes to win in this world, in this society. You have to win, everybody. Your family, your friends, everyone is counting on you guys to win, right? Let's talk about something else. Let me tell you one thing. Bitcoin, as we know, took a huge dip. And they're taking profits. These investors are taking their money. And I don't blame them. I would too. Because if you look and see what was happening with liquidations, I mean, people was getting wiped out, billions of dollars, right? Bitcoin dropped from its low 90s range into the 80Ks, pulling all the altcoins, all the crypto down with it, right? How many of you, tell me the truth, how many of you have lost money with all of this happening? I'm sure everybody's probably lost money, right? Because as far as where this market is going to go. You know, I'm sitting here in my car, just left the bank, making some runs, making some errands, and I just wanted to talk to you guys today. I'm not going to talk to you too long, but I just wanted to talk to you because in my industry, I'm talking to many people, helping different people with life, with health, with hair, just everything. I know a lot of you that's listening probably are hairstylists, carpenters, doctors, nurses. Who cares? I love all of you. But let me tell you about something. Big banks are disagreeing on what the Fed will do this month. They disagreeing. The banks do not like what the Fed is doing because they don't know whether in this month we're going to have a rate cut or a pause. They don't know. What do this mean? Well, investors are basically resetting after months of gains. They're looking over their portfolio, balancing out their portfolio, trying to see what's next, right? Now, if the Fed rates cuts, it usually helps stocks, crypto, and the tech when that happens. Now, if the Fed pauses, the market may fall more in the short term. So listen, this is why normally in December, the Santa rally was pretty shaky right now. Because normally every year we have a Santa rally. The markets just grow. And people normally anticipate that. But right now, we're not showing that in data right now. Not showing that we're going to have a Santa Claus rally. But listen, you never know because, you know, with this rate cuts coming and many other things happening, I feel we can have a Santa Claus rally, right? And this opportunity, you know, big, strong tech companies that fall during these pullbacks, right? Pullbacks is not bad because it's an opportunity when we have pullbacks to put more money in, invest. Because Pullbacks become a long-term buy for everyone. For me, for you, it becomes a long-term buy, right? So I tell you, I can talk. Well, when you think about crypto and other dips and after big runs and recoveries, things calming down, I tell you, you can just be on a roller coaster with this all, right? You can be on a roller coaster. So how many of you like roller coasters out there? I know I do. I love the Magic Mountains and the whole nine. That's why I keep my little backpack with me, because I'm one of those venturous people, right? So I just want to tell you guys, for the short-term traders is probably experiencing up and down movements, right? Because of what's happening and all the talk about the Fed decisions, that creates opportunity, basically. So listen, I can talk to you guys over and over and over again, but I'm going to save some stuff for tomorrow. But for simple daily market breakdowns, please, you guys, subscribe to Tony's Money and Lens and comment, right? I want you guys to let me know, what asset do you think is going to grow that catches your attention that you love in this month of December? Let me know. What assets you going to buy? What are you looking at? What are you thinking about in the month of December? So talk to me, guys. I just want to let you guys know, everyone, fall in love. Please fall in love with your future. Because if you don't, who will? Fall in love with your future. Because if you do what the average person don't do, you're going to end up having what the average person don't have. So I'm going to throw you guys so much knowledge, so much information on Tony's Money and Lens YouTube channel. And like I said, please subscribe and like and send me a comment. Talk to me. Talk to the brother. I love you guys. Until tomorrow. Peace.